Hello again everyone. I'll be covering a song called Kiss Me by Sixpence None The Richer. Hey, using the ukelele. So by the time na pinapanood nyo to, it means nasa ibang bansa po ako. Yeah. 안녕하세요. 저는 미카예요. So, alam niyo na ako nasan. Nag-aaral pa rin ako. I'm still working on it. We'll get there. Strike up the band, make fireflies and silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Kiss me down by the broken tree house with me upon its hanging time. Bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the strike out the band and make fireflies and silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. So that's all po, and thank you very much. Ginamit kong K-pop yung sa gitara kasi may napanood akong YouTube video tutorial na para mas tugma daw yung tugtog ng Kiss Me sa ukulele, gumamit daw ng K-pop. Pero kapag if you're gonna do the other version na walang K-pop, ganito siya. Kaso may pagkamababa niyan. sample lang. That's all. Thank you po and have a good day, everyone, and a good year. Bye-bye. Peace out. Drink your waters. Keep safe. Baka ba yun na talaga?